Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an affordable dresses haul, and please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, do everything possible. We'll start with this. Today is all yellow. We start with this yellow dress. It's, as the label shows, is from Zara. It's Zara, I think last year. It's very chic. It has an opening at the back and a button to close. A closure and a button. This is the sleeve. It's a sleeveless, as you can see, and it's pleated. And what I like most is this thing at the hem. It gives it a very nice opening. So I won't waste your time. Let's try this. This is the dress. It's very chic. It's pleated, and you can never go wrong with this during the summer. What I said about this dress is the hem, the way it's done, it makes the dress come up by itself. Yeah, so this is the dress. I like the sleeve. It's opened, gives you room to move your hands. When you put on your accessories, that will make you see the beauty of this dress. Oh, let me not forget, one of my subscribers said I don't tell them what I'm wearing. I'm wearing Love Me wig. This wig is from Love Me. My lipstick is from Sephora. It's 2 colors, and my eyeshadow is from Colourpop. And what have you? My foundation is NARS and Il Maquillage. Thank you. So I'll pick the second dress. Today we're going by. This is from ASOS, and I bought it last year. It's also an affordable dress. It has this peplum, and the back comes all the way to this end. It has this closure. The zipper is unseen, it's not visible, so it's nice. And the front comes like this. I don't know how to call this style, but it makes the wearing very nice. And it has something here, and there's an opening. So let me wear this whilst you see how it looks. Yeah, so this is how the dress is. It's a nice dress. It has this peplum. It doesn't go all the way. It goes up to here. It doesn't add up to here. It goes up to this area. And then look at the back. The back opens to here. And I think the material is nice. As I said, it's affordable, so the material isn't as quality as anything, but it's affordable. And if you want one-time thing, just to go out or go to church, and you can save it for some time. It's not going to last, but you can save it for some time. I like the length. The length come all the way. It's midi, and it has an opening here. So it's good. So this is how it is. The material is a little stiff. It looks nice.
You sure? Yeah.
As I said, it wouldn't last. Let's go to the third one. This one is from AliExpress. This one I said is from ASOS. This one is from AliExpress. It came without lining. I couldn't iron it. It's from the box, so I couldn't iron it. Pardon me. And it came without lining, so I had to find some lining just to try for you guys. So I'm going to try this. So this is the dress. As I said, it didn't come with the lining. So if you buy, you have to buy yourself some camisole, a long one. I'm using just a small blouse. This is it. It's a nice dress anyway. This is the back. The back is also nice, and it's a nice dress. It's a nice dress. Let me model for you to see. It didn't come with any lining, so they're expecting you to wear it like this overexposure. So if you are buying it, consider your own lining. So let's go to this one. This one, I forgotten to say, you can wear it to so many places. You can wear it to so many places. If you get the undergarment, you can even wear it to church. It's nice and affordable. I think, if I'm not exaggerating, it's less than $30, this one. And this is another dress that is affordable. All these dresses, some were on sale, but they are less than, all of them, they are less than $50. So this dress is also a pleated dress with a back opening. It has this band which gives you an illusion of a shape. It gives you a fake waist. The same band is at the neck, which makes it interesting, and it's a middle length. So this is how it goes. So let me try this one. So this is how the dress looks. I told you with this hem, it hems you in, so it gives it a narrow shape. It gives you a waist. It's a nice dress. So this is the third one. Oh, how many are we? Let's go to this gray. This is from Amazon. Jeffrey Bezos. Let's try it. I wouldn't talk much. This dress is a one sleeve dress, and it has this frills on one, and it's a bandage dress. It stretches and it's very strong. I don't like this zipper. This zipper makes it so cheap. And look at where they stitch all this. This, as I said, is also less than $50, but this dress doesn't live up to expectation, but we'll try it on. Thank you. It's too tight, very tight, and I'm sending it back. It's a nice dress anyway, but it's too tight for me. And this is how it looks. Let's go to, yeah, that reminds me of this. Let's try this. This one, I bought it also from AliExpress, and it has, look at this zipper. It makes it very expensive. And look at the colors. It's a one shoulder with a bow, and the colors alone makes it very chic. Let's try it and see. So this is how it looks. It's very tight. It makes my butt so small. It makes my butt. So I will show my back. It makes my butt so small. And this is it. It's also less than $50. And this one is interesting. The colors are very interesting. This one you can seriously take it to an outing, maybe a party. If nobody knows you over there, you can take it there and then mingle with them because they wouldn't know how cheap it is. But this is how it looks. I won't show my butt, but let me model. Oh God. There's a lot of exercise to wear all this bandage dresses at my age. Don't you come after me because I'm not a young girl. Oh Lord. Okay, so let's be serious. Let's go to this. This dress is from Zara. I like this button on the side. It's so, it makes the whole dress looks expensive. The material is nice. As for Zara, the quality is good. And it has a cow neck. And voila, it's a midi length too. Let me try it on and then we'll see. Thank you. The Zara dress didn't fit me, so I put that one aside. But this is how it looks. As I said, this is an affordable clothing. The price is so cheap, so you don't consider the quality or the flaws if you want to buy them. And on the other hand, it's a nice straw. It's a dress that is nicely done, and this is how it looks. It's supposed to be a dress, but I can't wear it as a dress, so I put a skirt under it or underneath, and then if I'm going to wear, that is the problem. If I will ever wear, then I'm going to wear it like this with a skirt because I can't show all this information out. So this is it. It's a long sleeve. I like this. Let me pull my hair back and then show you. I like this one. I like how this one opens. Okay, this is the last of the affordables. I don't know whether it's lace or it's a cutout embroidery. I don't know how I'm going to call it, but this is from White House Black Market. So let me try this one and we are done. Thank you. So this is the last one. It's a little fitted. This is how the back looks. As I said, it's a nice dress. This is the end of the video, and please, I'm begging you, please subscribe to the channel and let's entertain ourselves. This is just an entertainment. We try things, we make fun of it, we laugh, and that's it. Thumbs up and subscribe to my Marl Diaries, and you see more of this, or cooking, or eating, or makeups, everything. We do everything on my Marl Diaries. So please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.